Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable or disable function keys like F1 or F2 or F3 in your keyboard. So without any further ado, let's begin. So in order to disable the function keys, you can press function key and escape key together to disable. Again, you can press Fn key and escape key. So the escape key is in short, which is ESC, aligning your function keys. Just press it together, function key and escape key, and there you have that you would be able to disable the function keys. Okay, and if you want to enable such, just have to press it again, the Fn key and escape key, which is the ESC key, and there you would be able to successfully enable the function keys in your keyboard. Okay, so if those function keys, which are Fn key and ESC key, is not functioning, okay, proceed by doing the action by pressing Fn key and caps lock. Okay? Again, press Fn key and caps lock key, and there you have that you would be able to disable the function keys. Okay? You can also enable that by pressing Fn key and caps lock key together in your keyboard, and there you go, you would be able to enable the function keys in your keyboard. Okay? So those are the two shortcuts on how to enable or disable the function keys in your keyboard. If you think this video helps you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.